Motion versus Notion. In this 2025 comparison, we'll find out which productivity tool is better, so make sure to like and subscribe. So let's compare them. Number one is their core purpose. Notion is an all-in-one workspace for notes, docs, databases, and project tracking, while Motion is designed around time blocking and AI scheduling, focusing on calendar-based task management. Number two is their features and workflow. Notion offers unmatched customization for workspaces, wikis, and task management, while Motion automates your daily plan, reschedules your tasks with AI, and integrates tightly with your calendar. Number three is their user interface. Notion's interface is minimal, but it can be overwhelming with too many options, while Motion is clean and focused, making it easy to see your priorities for the day. Number 4 is their integrations. Notions integrates with Slack, GitHub, and more via third-party tools like Zapier, while Motion integrates mainly with Google Calendar and task platforms like Asana or Trello. Number 5 is their pricing. Notion has a free tier and premium plan starts at $8 a month, while Motion is more premium, starting at $19 a month, reflecting its AI scheduling features. So for final verdict, you can choose Notion for flexible, content-rich project management, and you can use Motion if you prioritize automated scheduling and time management. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.